In the last episode, I revealed our new project bike. It is a bike we got for free, which is really awesome, but it is gonna be a lot of work. In the last episode, you saw us struggle with the engine and the gearbox, which we eventually got in there. I also made a quite bold statement saying that we might be starting the bike in this video. Yeah, that was a little bit too ambitious. We ordered a battery for the bike because we are planning on testing the electrical system in this video. We gotta get all the wires connected to the right place, which isn't that hard. There aren't a lot of wires on this bike, thank God. And once we do that, we will check the electrical system. Now, playing around with the electrical system, we only could get the front light to light up, and that's basically everything. We didn't get any lights on the dash or the rear light, just the front light. So we figured we would just strip all the wires off the bike and make a whole new wiring loom from scratch. So that's what we're doing. We started by disconnecting the hand controls, all of the lights and the dash, and just stripping down all of the wires. Now you might be wondering why we are doing this. Well, this is a very old bike. We don't know which wires broke in their insulation, which wires are bad. The fuse box is completely rusted out. It just is a good idea to replace it. Also, Mauro has a school assignment. He has to make his own little project for school, so I guess this is two birds with one stone. After we completely stripped the wiring loom, Mauro took it home with him so he could do his assignment. Basically, he just stripped down the whole wiring loom itself, see what runs to where, tape everything to a board so it's nice and clear, and write all the necessary information down. So I guess this was it for this week. In next episode we will be putting the new wiring loom in the bike, and hopefully then we can try and start this thing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.